What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Peekaboo, and I'm back with another one for y'all today. Now we got a special one. We got the FTAC Siege. Now this gun is so fun to use. The fire rate is insane, man. Try this setup, you won't regret it. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. It really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
Is on station. Recon on.
No way, bro.
Your dog tag. Enemy UAV active. UAV is bingo fuel. RTB at this time. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy counter. UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area.
It will take more than that.
Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile UAV in the area.
Blood for blood.
Hostile cluster mine active.
Fucking camping sack.
Advise you load up now.
Flyover.
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online.
Requesting recon flyover.
UAV is on station. Recon on. On to the top 5. Let's get it done. Hostile UAV in the area. UAV is bingo fuel. RTB at this time.
Stand tall.
Through and
No way, bro.
Like and subscribe, baby.